Hello everyone, this is Varun and I'm back. Last time I hope you all liked the recipe of the cool Coolio that I made with ice. And this time it's not a recipe, but I'm going to share with you some creative idea, and it's like very innovative, and I think you should use it at your home because security is very important for everyone, and for that we need CCTV cameras in our house, and we need cheaper versions of it. And this CCTV camera that I'm going to make today is going to cost you just 25 rupees and have special offers for the lockdown period. And how do I make it and what do I need for it? Well, watch the video. To make this cheap CCTV camera, you don't need all this electronic stuff, but yes, you do need this. This is that plastic dome-shaped tiffin box, and you put some glue around it, and then you climb a chair and you put it up at the corner of the room, and there you go. It's all set. It's your own private CCTV camera. And now we'll put it to the test. Let's see how it works. So hope you all are staying at home and staying safe. Enjoy the lockdown, and yes, do give feedback for this video, share the video, and remember there are a lot of giveaways, and the first 10 shares will get free CCTV cameras made by me. Thank you. Catch you all after a short break.